Dear students, in this module, you will learn about the Maratha War of Independence. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb invaded the Deccan after the death of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. In defense of the Swaraj, the Marathas fought fiercely under the leadership of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, and Maharani Tarabai to protect the Swaraj. This fight against the Mughals by Marathas for their independence is called the Maratha War of Independence. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj was the eldest son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was born on 14th May 1657 on the Purandar fort. After Shivaji Maharaj, he became the Chhatrapati. At this time, the Marathas were struggling against the Mughals. The son of Aurangzeb, Prince Akbar, rebelled against his father. But Aurangzeb crushed his rebellion. Akbar took shelter with Sambhaji Maharaj. And so to vanquish Akbar, Aurangzeb came to Deccan in 1682 CE. Apart from Aurangzeb and his huge army, the Siddhi of Janjira, on being asked by Aurangzeb, undertook an expedition against the Marathas. The Portuguese also allied with Aurangzeb, and Sambhaji Maharaj had to face many adversaries simultaneously. Shivaji Maharaj had given him excellent education in civil administration. Sambhaji Maharaj had begun to take interest in the administration of the state and the command of the army from the age of 14 years. While he was still a prince, he had led attacks on many territories of the Mughals and the Adil Shah. When Sambhaji Maharaj became Chhatrapati, the war with the Mughals became fiercer. Next, campaign against Siddhi. The Siddhi of Janjira crushed the Maratha people, so Sambhaji Maharaj opened a campaign against him in 1682 CE. With their artillery, the Marathas laid siege to Siddhi's fort of Dandarajpuri fort and entered the fort of Janjira. But Sambhaji Maharaj was forced to abandon the Janjira campaign when the Mughal army invaded the Swaraj. Next, campaign against the Portuguese. The Mughal emperor and the Portuguese of Goa joined hands against Sambhaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Maharaj attacked the Portuguese port of Chaul and the Portuguese laid siege to the Maratha fort of Fonda on the Goa border. The Marathas broke through the siege and attacked Goa. The Portuguese were in trouble, but then the Mughals invaded South Konkan and Sambhaji Maharaj had to abandon the nearly achieved conquest of Goa to confront the Mughals. Next, the end of Adil Shahi and the Qutub Shahi. When Aurangzeb did not succeed in his campaign against the Marathas, he turned his attention to the Adil Shahi and Qutub Shahi kingdoms and conquered them. With the wealth and army of Adil Shahi and Qutub Shahi kingdoms, Aurangzeb concentrated all his might on the Marathas and attacked them from all sides. Their territory. Many Maratha generals like Hambirao Mohite was killed in encounters with the Mughals, and Sambhaji Maharaj's military strength weakened.